soup, a bubble star.
Yeah, man.
What kind of soup is it?
Manish water.
Manish water.
Manish water.
Yeah, man.
Looking forward to your manish water, mommy.
What? Listen, I'm looking forward to it so much. I turned up one day early. I came yesterday.
Oh, yeah?
And I had to come back today.
Me can play some nice music, please. Me can play some nice music. You know the problem with young people who don't like good music. Every time I come over and say, I want to play some good music, and no, send out conscience, no.
Wait, what's your name? Tisha. Yeah. Where from Jamaica you from? Kingston. From Kingston, Jamaica. All right, hey, Tisha, good to see you right now. I see you chop on sauce right now. I hope I catch it all there now. Every minute, every hour of the day, Tisha chop on sauce. Tisha chop on sauce. Tisha chop on your boss, yeah.
I buy a CD. I'm the CD of track 1, track 1A, and track 3. Cause Batman don't play number 2. That is stupidness.
To the stage, Hood Celebrity! Ready!
Make me body Georgia, catch, fling it, make me body.
Then what are you doing now?
Well, what we're doing is get the chicken ready for the oven.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, they put a lot of seasoning on it, huh?
Jerk season, nice certain season. Come on. Marinate overnight, you know?
Jamaican thing.
Yard thing, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Straight.
Wow. Oh, yeah, fish though.
Yeah, man. Jerk fish. Everything jerk.
Wow. Nice. Wow. Hold on. Tell us what about it. You like the jerk chicken?
It's nice.
Yeah? Alright, enjoy.
Jamaica, black, green, and yellow, colors of the country. So many people walking, people talking, making noises as they go. Whoosh! So many roads, bumpy roads, straight roads, so many cars, used cars, tiny cars, all around the city. Beep beep, so many cities, Kingston, Westburnham, short roads leading to big houses. Jamaica, my country, my home.
Yes, sir. A quick word with this, sir. What are you getting there?
Oh, some roasted corn.
Roasted corn?
Yeah.
With butter on it?
Yeah.
Nice. Enjoy, alright?
Thanks, man.
Alright.
Go right this up, Blacker. Right this up, Blacker. I'm going to start the dancing. Start the dance up. Start the right this up. 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 Oh, you know, son. Let me say for the members some dance. We got memory leaves. Oh, remember that one day. I bet you them remember this blocker. I bet you never know. I want to go down. So kill it by the head.
Yes, sir. How are you today?
Good, man.
What do we have here?
Jerk chicken soup.
Jerk chicken soup? Wow, I never seen that one before. You don't mind if I leave on the pot cover looking. Wow, sorry. Wow. Jerk chicken soup. Never heard of that before, boss. So you jerk the chicken first, and then you make the soup. Alright. Make Makes a lot of sense.
And no Jamaican man talk about, oh, me love man, me no pet man, love woman. And him wake in the morning at 7 a.m. and him go up on the streets and I'm gonna split him and 3 more man. Then him go work on a construction site and work with 15 more man. Them left work and go up on the ends go bar go drink with 7 more man. Then him go up on the ends and burn a chalice, him and 12 man are stuck on the same hole. Then him go home to the woman for half an hour and say love woman. Them walk with a posse and it's pay man a walk entourage. No woman. But they love woman. No.
Me love Jamaica, me not so love. Them try to ruin so we can't fly.
All proud Jamaican, wave for the flag. Wave for the flag, wave it, wave it, wave it.
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade.
Yeah.
Jumping on the river when me ready for beer. Nobody can find me up. Me no foreign man, you know you compared to Jamaica.
What I say?
Jamaica,
I said.
you wanna feel?
So right now, guys, this is what it is, and this is where the competition all begin right now. We have the mayor right here on the right, and we have Lisa on the left, and they're about to put it down right now. The cook-off begins right now, and they're gonna throw it down. So whatever you do, guys, this is what you want to tune into. Mr. Mayor, you got it. You got it. Lisa, you got it. Lisa, you got it.
She's not scared.
Competition this year.
Oh,
Fierce competition. Look at that eye.
Yes,
Look at that eye. I have the tiger.
Mommy, how's everything going today?
Great. How are you?
Passing through, you know, to come see where the gel of them come from? Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yardman style.
Yardman style.
Via Florida.
Florida, right? So, man, what made you decide to get the jelly coconut today?
It's supposed to wash off your heart.
Right.
And it has a lot of electrolytes.
Right.
So, and I love it anyway. And then after I finish drinking the water, I'm coming back to see if he can split it open for me and I can have the jelly.
What parish in Jamaica are you from?
Clarendon.
All right, big respect, all right?
Thank you.
Oh, water was still in it, huh? Thank you. Let's start. What are you looking forward to today here at the Jerk Festival?
I'm enjoying it. I come to enjoy myself.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna eat everything?
I can't eat everything now.
Okay. Well, I hope you have a good day, yeah?
You too. What's your name?
My name is Garvin.
Garvin, where you from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica, where? Jamaica big.
Portland, man, from the east.
Portland, all right.
From the east. Which artist is your favorite artist today you're looking forward to see?
What would I put the show again? I remember.
You have Conscience, Morgan Heritage, Alison Hines, Barrington Levy.
Barrington Levy.
You're looking forward to seeing them?
Yeah.
Alright, well I hope you guys have a good day, each and every one of you.
Thank you.
Alright, respect.
Come and get the sweet lemonade right now.
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss. Welcome.
No more, where's Jamrock Jerk located?
Come and get the
Jamrock
sweet
Jerk
lemonade right now.
is located here today. I'm just being funny, but we only do street fairs and
Come and get the sweet lemonade right now.
festivals.
Special events.
Huh?
Special events.
And yeah, so
Come and get the sweet lemonade right now.
as far as a spot, not right now. We enjoy our freedom.
So if anyone wants to hire you guys for an event, just go on your website.
Everything is right there on that side right there. Jamrock Jerk.
Alright.
Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Big respect.
Yes, yeah, man. The respect. See you again, yeah?
Good, yeah.
Listen, every day the boy I play games. We don't have no time for that. Listen, sorry, not sorry. Every day I get a sorry.
Damien Catering Grill.
Oh, yeah.
Fresh Jamaican food with flavor and style.
Yeah, but it don't sound like you have a Jamaican accent, boss. So how come it's authentic?
I'm Americanized, so.
Alright, respect. What you say, Javier?
We have Max's Chef homemade lemonade. It's blueberry, kiwi, mango, strawberry, pineapple, and this is a tropical, which is strawberry, mango, and pineapple mix, and a regular. All come with fresh fruit.
Nice assortment there. Alright, respect, Zane. Oh, where's this drink from?
It's from Brazil, from the, it's a tree in the Amazon. called the guarana.
Right.
So it's like energetic, but this is not energetic.
What is it good for?
No, it's just a regular soda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good, very interesting.
It's just that the seed is kind of unique. It's from the Amazon.
Right. Wow. Well, it's good to see Brazil representing here today at the Jerk Festival, yeah?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
All right, respect. Have a good one. Yes.
All right.
Yes, I. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Well, what's going on here now, Star?
Well, everything is good.
Okay. So this is Brad's.
Yes.
Where's Brad's located?
Well, Brooklyn, New York.
Brooklyn.
Yes.
And it's the finest Jamaican cuisine, huh?
Yes, finest.
All right. Put big respect, see?
Yes. Respect.
Yeah, man. Brad's style.
So did you, in the meantime, start to give a name for your dish? You thought about a name for your dish? Or are you still thinking? Ladies and gentlemen, the dish name, Goody. So I feel like saying that, yeah, the things, hello! Alright, Mr. Mayor, have you been thinking of a name for this dish? Talk to me.
Last time Shirley and I were in Jamaica, we were in Ocho Rios.
Yes.
In honor of that beautiful town?
Yes.
The Ocho Rios explosion!
Let me see the cane. Hold it up, let me see that.
No good one around there. And this one, this is your type of thing right around there.
Well, that's why we have to get because they are queens in New York. We're not in Jamaica Star.
I want to who said sweet.
Family Eyes. Anyone want business in Brooklyn? Contact us. Phone number, address. We do everything. Cardi Ice, wedding, concert, any event. Call us anytime. We deliver everything.
How you doing? How you doing, Star? Tell me more about right here today. What's up?
It's Island Blend. It's a health hub. We got some natural juices. We got some smoothies, black cake, you know, salsa, passion, pineapple, guavas, you know, jackfruit.
You have a jackfruit drink?
Yes.
Really?
It's fairly new, yeah.
Never heard of that drink before. Can I sample it?
You want a sample?
Yeah.
Well, everybody welcome. As you don't all know, or should all know, this is the Island Blend's jackfruit juice, yeah. 241st, 875
At Island Blends in the Bronx?
Yes, sir.
What made you guys come up with the idea to make a jackfruit juice?
Well, the idea originated from Jamaica, you know. Always so we love the fruit. I wonder how it would taste in the juice.
Right.
So we always have the fruit and I say what we are gonna do with it and how we are gonna make it special and known to the world.
Right.
So we come up with our own special ingredient combined with the jackfruit.
Right.
And introduce it to the Jerk Fest right here, right now. It's good?
Alright, well you want the people to come to the Bronx so get them share.
Definitely, of course.
Alright man, big respect, see?
Yes.
Well, my name is Donovan. Work for Island Cuisine, located in Maryland. We have four locations, and we're not a traditional Jamaican restaurant because we do non-traditional Jamaican food, of course, with our traditional flavor. If you ever come to Maryland, you can see us Pikesville, you can see us in Towson, you can see us in Windsor Mill, and you can also see us in Gweno. See you there.
Hi, my name is Hunter Jr. and I want to introduce you to the great Jamaican Jerk Festival. We have the Jerk Grape Nut Ice Cream. It's 100% Jamaican. All ingredients are from Jamaica. It's great, it's very good. I want to taste it and let you know how nice it is. And you can also reach us anywhere you are within the world. We're in New York. Our phone number is 646-319-2326. Yeah, we also have a new flavor, which is a jackfruit ice cream. And you know, you can always get it if you want. All you have to do is call us at 646-319-2326.
Yeah, which artist are you here to see?
Oh, Conscience.
Conscience fan?
Yeah.
Alright, I hope you deliver. What about Barrington Levy?
Oh, yeah, he's cool.
He's cool, but not your guy today.
No.
Conscience here for?
Yes.
What about you? Who are you looking forward to see today?
Nobody really, just
having a nice time? Okay,
She on vacation, so.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
You're from Jamaica? Oh yeah? Who's running the place in Jamaica right now? Which artists down here?
I wouldn't know.
Oh no? You don't stay in touch with that side of
No.
Oh, you're a Christian lady?
Yes, I am.
Which Christian artist running Jamaica right now? Papa San? Lady Saw?
No.
Oh.
I listen more, it's not a Jamaican artist, but I listen to Travis Green.
Okay, yeah, that's good. I know that.
And I like Donny and Wilson.
Alright, nice. Well, hope you enjoy your vacation and hope you try have a good day, alright?
You too.
How are you feeling today about the Grace Drake Festival?
Great.
Now tell me, what are you looking forward to eating today mostly? What are you looking forward to eating today?
Some Boston jerk pork.
Right, there's a stand over there with that.
Can't beat Boston. I'm from Portland.
Oh yeah?
Can't beat
We're
that.
from Portland too.
Okay.
We're from Portland. We went to Titchfield.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, enjoy your day, mommy. Alright. Introduce yourself to the world. Tell the people where you're going.
I am Maria and I'm from Spanish Town, Jamaica.
Boom, 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 boom.
Eating some jerk, everything.
Alright, so who are you looking forward to seeing today at the show performing?
Everybody, my sister-in-law is performing.
Oh yeah, what's her name?
Her name is Yansia. She'll be on probably 2 o'clock or 2 little bits.
Right.
It was supposed to be 1:30, but you know, showbiz.
So you're looking forward to it?
Yeah, of course. I'm looking forward to seeing Yansia, and everybody else will see already. So, Lord.
Alright, well, big respect. Welcome to New York, alright?
Yeah, thank you, darling.
I would love to visit the demonstration to learn some new Jamaican techniques.
Right.
I'm looking forward for that. And then the entertainment, I am expecting and looking forward to see all the entertainers.
Okay.
Especially the folk singers.
Alright.
I love that.
That's a Rata group.
Yes, the 55. We're 55 Jamaica.
Right.
55 in 2017. So.
Alright, well, I hope you have a great fun day.
Jamaica.
Alright, respect. Yes, sir. How are you?
Doing good, how are you?
Nice. Everything's good?
Of course, always
Alright.
It's awesome.
Just passing through your tent, checking out to see what's going on. Sorry, man.
Appreciate that. Welcome to VP Records.
Yeah, man. Anything you want to say to the people?
Go to www.vprecords.com. You can get the music, you can get the clothing. Everything is there for your pleasure. So come check us out.
I don't want anybody leave here and go say Raga do nothing wrong, so me never do nothing.
Yes, please. Yeah, there you go. Alright! After 3, 1, 2, 3!
And at the risk of getting in trouble, I think, Dr. Sue, I think women have life easier than man. You not agree with me? I think women have life easier. Alright, shall I elaborate? Shall I substantiate? Alright, now go elucidate. If you have a daughter and she comes to you and say, Mommy, Daddy, when I get big, I want to be a construction engineer. Or I want to drive tractor, I play NFL or some stereotypical man job you don't want to do. You encourage her, right? You go, girl. But if your son say, I want to be a ballet dancer. If your son say, when I grow big, I want to be a nanny. If your son say, I want to be just like Shibada. Girls are encouraged to step outside the gender box, but not boys. Boys are told, be a man, walk like a man, talk like a man, don't cry, you're a man, bop, spot like a man, and God forbid come to daddy, I like a man. You're just dead. If two women drive, two women are any culture, woman and woman meet, girlfriend, hug, kiss. It's okay, make 2 man kiss. In Jamaica, if 2 man kiss, 3 man get beaten.
Wow.
Look what Jamaican people in New York! Watch up! Conscience me, but me don't have none. This way, and the final question is happen. Come here, make the boy make a run. Tell me, come, me don't stop until everything drop down. You can listen, you know, bad man. You go this, you go,